Hello far and nears, peers and dears. Hello everyone. Welcome to the Life Skills Green. As you have read the title of this video that you are tired of learning English anymore. So don't worry, I am here. If you have any problem, I'll give you very practical suggestions, recommendations. I'll share with you very working strategies that will really help you in your achieving your fluency in English. I understand that you have put in your effort, you worked hard, you struggled in your study to becoming fluent in English. You want to speak English naturally and you want to write on any certain topic in English easily, that you want to make your target language your second nature. I understand what you think. You want to grow in your career, in your personal and professional life at the same time. I understand everything that you want to become something in your life, and this is your right. Now, here I am with some practical suggestions, recommendations and strategies to share with you so that you can benefit from my suggestions, recommendations, that you overcome all your problems, your restrictions, your hurdles. It's not because of you that you are not capable of learning a second language or foreign language. You are capable of learning English, but you might have spent your time on wrong method or on wrong content, or you listen to many teachers and they have given you, there are thousands of hundreds of thousands of teachers and motivational speakers. They give their own way, their own method, they share their ideas, and you are overwhelmed with all those lectures and suggestions that you are now on the fence. You have no you are not clear in your mind what to do, what is the right way to go through. First of all, English is a foreign or second language for you, so it takes time. You should be clear about this, that as a learner of second or foreign language of English, it will take time, but you should also study quality content and with quality method. Now, what is the right method, quality method? That you should spend your precious time on the right method and on the right content with clear strategy, with your clear mind, so that you can get ahead very fast. If you have read enough newspapers, grammar books and dictionaries, so now you should jump into real world content. You should study, watch, or something which you are interested in, okay? If it is necessary for your career, whether it is your major subject in your studies or you are in a specific field, so you should work on your subject, but your learning, your way of getting information should be in your target language, in this English language. Okay, whenever you listen or study, so you should be aware, you should focus on the chunks, the word expressions, the structure of the language. You should study, watch, listen, or do anything actively, not passively. You should focus on the language structure, how the chunks, how the sentences are formed in real English. You should get much input through your reading, listening, watching, studying as much as possible. You should spend your days, hours, months. It will take more time. When your brain, okay, what you are practicing for? You are practicing for your brain. You want to fill your brain. You want to fill your empty bowl of brain. You want to fill that. When it is full, then it will automatically overflowing, okay? It will start overflowing after that you have put much content of your target language in your brain bowl, okay? Think like that your brain is a bowl, so you have to keep putting in your target language information material so that When your brain is full, it will start automatically overflowing. Overflowing means now you can understand, you can write, or you can speak in your target language. Once again I say to you, okay, you should study your major subject, or you are in a specific field in career, so you should work in that your relevant field, but your way of getting information should be your target language. Okay, if you are studying, you are preparing English, so you should get all that information through reading, listening, whether it is your major subject or you are in a specific field. Consume the content which more interests you, and you should, I again repeat one more time, I repeat again that you should get input of your target language as much as possible. You should spend your hours on daily basis. When it feel like you are familiar with expressing your ideas in your target language, you are quite fluent, that's the time that you are fluent in your target language. I hope this advice is going to help you in your learning journey. See you in the next video. Talk soon.